Friends, Running Kimono here, and we have some great little deals in today's video, and it's a new week over at Walgreens, and it is a great one. So I'm pretty excited by this. We have deals and steals and some cheap paper and a whole bunch of magic. If you could do me a huge kindness before we dive into the deals, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. It really helps me out and the channel to get this video out there so it doesn't end up in YouTube Siberia. So if you could like the video, I would be so grateful. I also want to mention, if you live in the Midwest and have a Meijer grocery store, these bags of protein chips are 39 cents. It's going to get cleared really quickly. At the end of the video, I will share this Meijer deal. Back to Walgreens, if you can go in the clearance section or go into your vitamin section and look for this Benefiber or the Nature's Truth supplements, they are up to 90% off. So the Benefiber was $2.19 and the Nature's Truth was $1.99 from $19.99. So it's some pretty expensive supplements. Nature's Truth has $1.50 digital. Please make sure you have it loaded. And yes, it is coming off. The item's $1.99. This coupon will attach. I wanted to include the UPCs. This is for those Nature's Truth supplements. And then for the Benefiber, here it is. So why these two items are so fantastic is IBOTTA has really big rebates for both of them. We have this $5 back for the Benefiber. And with clearance, it's always your mileage may vary. But if you're in the same region as sometimes Texas and Michigan have the same ones. You might luck into a lot of stuff. And IBOTTA has $1 back for the Nature's Truth. So buying a clearance Nature's Truth and a Benefiber, it's $4.18. Subtracting that $1.50 digital, it's $2.68. And then $6 back from IBOTTA, $5 for Benefiber, and $1 for Nature's Truth. It makes this free and a $3.32 moneymaker. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And again, clearance is always your mileage may vary. It might be different in your region compared to mine, but it might be the same. Another clearance item that I found was this larger bag of cat treats for $1.19. And we have a 50-cent IBOTTA rebate, so it makes it 69 cents after everything is said and done. And the limit for that is up to 5. Here is the UPC if you want to ask for a price check. It costs nothing to ask for a price check. A lot of these IBOTTA, I would definitely try. And if you have not signed up for IBOTTA, sign up today, guys. It is a fantastic app, probably my favorite when I can bring home bags and bags of cat treats for 69 cents. Out the link in the notes if you want to sign up today. It's a terrific app and my absolute favorite to use to save extra money on clearance stuff, even without a coupon like these cat treats. The deal everybody should be doing this week is to get 4 toothbrushes completely for free. So the promotion for these guys they're $3 a pop. Buy 4, get back a $6 register reward. Now this morning we got this magical coupon, which is a 6 off of 4. Make sure you have it loaded. It's fantastic, and this is a very straightforward deal. If you're going to do nothing, just do this one deal. 4 of these brushes at $3 a pop is $12. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $6. Get back a $6 register reward, making it free. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. If you might have a Garnier register reward from last week or 2 weeks ago, throw that in and pay like $3 less. I mean, get creative and make things happen. Arm & Hammer this week is $1.99. How fantastic is that? I'm looking for the 28 loaders, the ones with a bit more detergent. Say you wanted to grab 5 of those, it's $9.95. If you possibly have $10 in Walgreens cash to spare, this is a no booster deal and just a great stock up price. If you wanted to stock up on some cheaper detergent, I mean, the way to do it. I think the original price for the 5 of them was like $37.95. Like the regular non-sales price, and then it dropped down to $9.95. So I was pretty shocked by that. Another fantastic deal of the week is the 4 for $10 with the Dawn dish soap. We have Platinum and the Apple one. I know that new scent one a lot of people don't like, so these are 2 alternatives. Grabbing 4 of them, you can always mix and match. That would be 10. If you might have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay tax. Obviously a no booster deal. If you wanted to grab 5 Arm & Hammers and 4 Dawns, 9 products, and use $20 in Walgreens cash, that's an alternative way to look at it to stock up on meat and potatoes stockpile items. Another fantastic deal is with the Axe this week. These guys are $5.99, and this morning we got a little bit of a Christmas gift, a $7.50 off a 2. So definitely, load this coupon even if you're not going to use it. It's good till September the 7th. The deal, guys, 2 of those body washes is $11.98. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $4.48 for the 2. Photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. I have a spend 20, get back 5 on Unilever products, and like $11.98 tracked for me. I'm going to show you that in a second. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And just to show you guys, $11.98 is tracking because it's a spend 20, get back 5. I can do this like I think up to 3 or 4 times on my Fetch Rewards app, so I have that tracking. A lot of people are saying it has to be after the coupon. It would only be $4.48 tracking, but I got the full 11, so I don't know why mine. Maybe I didn't do an update or something like that, but there it is, and I love Fetch Rewards. Okay, the next deal we're looking at, and I was thinking that this might be a deal, is with the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo. Now, this is the one error that I did have in today's haul. It was ringing up not 2 for $10 at the register. It was ringing up some other price like $5.49 each. So really pay attention to that register like a hawk that you're not overpaying for this shampoo. Here's the digital coupons that you're going to load. We have a 3 off a 2. This is a manufacturer, and I thought they would give us this, and they gave us this. And then we also have the Walgreens coupon, which is a 2 off a 2. So make sure you have both of those loaded for $5 off. This is a very basic deal. 2 of those shampoos for $10. Subtracting the Walgreens coupon and 3 off 2 digital manufacturer, it's 5 for 2 or $2.50 per shampoo. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Another great deal is with the Colgate. I think we have it both for the toothpaste and like the toothbrushes and other things. They're $4 a pop, $3 register reward when you buy 2. We have this digital coupon. Make sure you have it loaded. Grabbing 2 of those toothpaste is going to be $8. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $4. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And double check, do you have the one for the brushes and the mouthwash as well? In a separate transaction, do that deal for more 50-cent toothbrushes or mouthwash. This is more of a tricky one, the $10.99 Carefree Feminine Care. Now, we have a $5 digital that'll drop this down to $5.99. However, if your IBOTTA doesn't exclude the use of coupons, there's a $5 rebate. Mine did, my husband's didn't, so I went and submitted it on his account. And we got these pads for 99 cents. Just a straightforward deal, but double, triple check the verbiage, guys, because I don't want you guys getting in trouble. But $10.99, subtracting that digital, pay $5.99, $5 back from IBOTTA, making it 99 cents. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. A deal that everybody should be doing is the $2.79 for 3 on these Walgreens storage bags. It makes it 93 cents, and you get like 60 bags for $2.79 or 93 cents per box. That is a fantastic stock up price if I've ever heard or seen of one. Now, with the Venus Gillette, the $3 digital or digitals have not appeared for them yet in the app. I did check this morning. I also checked for the men's. And with Ibotta for the Kellogg cereal, for whatever reason, it's not attaching because I did scan like 6 boxes of cereal. The rebate is not attaching. So just be very mindful and careful, guys. With Labor Day right around the corner, there's lots of deals for different soft drinks and chips. Buy 2, get 1 for free on the Coca-Cola products. That's a very good price point with a limit of up to 6. And then the Doritos and Ruffles, I believe, are 3 for $9, making each bag $3 a pop. So if you're having a big cookout for your Labor Day, time to stock up with all of your supplies over at Walgreens. Okay, so now let's talk about the booster basket. We have a 7 back when you spend $35. A lot of you might have a 10 back when you spend $30 or $35. I have a 12 back when you spend $65, I think. So that's just a bit too rich for this girl, but looking at a smaller basket, let's get into this. Looking for 4 paper products with this tag of $5.49, buy 4, get back a $5 register reward. That box with the 4 puffs, that's the one you want to pick up. You're also going to grab a 2 count of the Bounty, a 6 equals 24 of the Charmin Essentials, a 4 equals 16 of the smaller Charmin, and then that Puffs on the right hand side exempt it. We're looking for that green box instead. Sorry guys, the photography was not so great this morning. I was kind of rushing around. These are the digitals that you're going to load: the 50 cent for the Essential, the $1.50 for the Puffs, the $1 for the Charmin, and the $1 for the Bounty. So that's $4 of coupons. We're also going to throw in 4 of these $3 brushes for exactly $12, and then we're going to load this guy, which is a 6 off of 4. Get that math right to 35. We're also going to throw in one of these guys for $2.79, 3 boxes of these bags. So looking at the math for this, 4 of those P&G paper products at $5.49 for $21.96. 4 of those toothbrushes for $12, 3 of the Walgreens brand bags for $2.79 for a grand total of $36.75. You have your booster loaded, $10 in digitals melting off, 4 for the paper and 6 for the brushes. With your debit card, you're going to pay $26.75. Get back $7 in Walgreens cash for your booster, $11 in register rewards, 6 for Oral-B, and then 5 for the paper. So it makes it $8.75 for the 11 items, or 79 cents per product. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, but a deal for you guys. Last store that we're at is Meijer, which is a grocery store in the Midwest only. There are no sister stores. It's only in the Midwest. So Michigan, Ohio, Kentucky, that area. So we're looking for these pure protein. They're called Pop Chips for $1.39. That's a sales price because I think they're usually like $2.49, and they're part of a buy 5 save 5, so it's going to make it 39 cents after everything's said and done. Bring it to one of these scan machines, and then, am I grabbing the right stuff? Look for them specifically merchandised in the pharmacy area where they have all the protein shakes and stuff. The buy 5 save 5. As you can see, I paid like $1.95 for every 5 I was buying. Definitely something that I wanted as a snack, in case I get hungry or hangry, or you pick whichever one. And then just say you can only find 3 of them. It's still part of the buy 5, save 5. So say you wanted to grab another 2 items that are part of the promotion. It'll really reduce down the cost of your basket. Good luck with this one, guys. And I would do this ASAP. I think it's going to go get cleared very quickly because 39 cents for a product that's $2.49 or $2.79 on a non-sales week, it's going to go quick. That's it for this video. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.